Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine. Now come to your lecture number 3, General Knowledge Class 3, lecture number 3. First of all, I want to tell you that from your book of General Knowledge, we will study it in two parts. One consists of social studies, and another one is of science. Look at this. This is your book of General Knowledge, which we have divided into two parts, social studies and science. It is very interesting book and we can make it more interesting by doing the activities related to the topics. Look at this. These are the contents of this book. Number 1, our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Number 2, our country. Number 3, health is wealth. Number 4, books and libraries. Number 5, paper and printing. Number 6, directions. Number 7, our world. Number 8, shapes. Number 9, the air. Number 10, living together. Number 11, the human body. Number 12, the solar system. Number 13, inventions. Number 14, computer world. Number 15, habitat. From these chapters, we have selected these topics of social studies. Unit number 2, our country. Unit number 6, directions. Unit number 7, our world. Unit number 10, living together. From this book of general knowledge, these are the chapters we will study in social studies. Now come to the topics of science. From this book, these are the topics related to the science. Unit number 11, the human body. Unit number 3, health is wealth. Unit number 9, the air. Think about it how much this book is interesting, as we will study in this about social studies as well as science. Now come to our lecture. We will start our lecture. First unit we will study is about social studies. Unit number 2, our country. At the beginning of every chapter, first of all, we will discuss about the key words. You have to learn the spelling of these words and also try to pronunciate it many times. Now come to this. Number 1, Sakhar. Number 2, provinces. Number 3, Himalayas. Number 4, buildings. Number 5, Peshawar. Number 6, Allama Iqbal. Now come to our topic, our country. As we all know that the name of our country is Pakistan. There are many other countries in this world, but we will discuss about our country, the country where we are living. Okay, now who will tell me what is the name of our country? Yes, its name is Pakistan. Look at this. This is the flag of Pakistan. Here is a crescent and a star. Look at this flag. There are two colors in our flag, green and white. Okay, there is a crescent and a star. This is the flag of Pakistan. Look at this map. From this map, look at this. This is the map of Pakistan. In Pakistan, there are 5 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and KPK. Look at this. In the south of Pakistan, there is Arabian Sea. We have discussed about it in our previous lecture. Let us revise it again. That there are 5 provinces in Pakistan: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan. 4 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and KPK. Look at this. In the south of Pakistan, there is Arabian Sea. Now come to the neighboring countries. In previous lecture, I have tell you about the neighboring countries of Pakistan. The neighboring countries are countries that are sharing the border with Pakistan are India, China, Iran and Afghanistan. India, Iran, Afghanistan and look at this, China. These are the countries which share border with Pakistan. Today we will discuss the fact file of Pakistan. I have revised this map of Pakistan just for all of you. Now come to the lecture. Today we will discuss about the fact file of Pakistan. We will discuss about the national anthem, national flower, flag, national dress, currency, national game, state religion. In fact file of Pakistan, we will discuss all these points related to Pakistan. Look at this. This is the national anthem of Pakistan. Pak Sar Zameen Shad Baat, Kishware Haseen Shad Baat. We will always recite it in the morning before assembly. This is the national anthem of Pakistan. Now come to the national flower of Pakistan. The national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. Look at this, how beautiful it is. The national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. The national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. Now come to the national dress of Pakistan. The national dress of Pakistan is shalwar kameez. All of you wear shalwar kameez in the festival on Eid as it is our national dress. So the national dress of Pakistan is शलवार कमीज़. मोस्टली आप लोग जब ईद पे जाते हो, बॉयज़ जब ईद पे नमाज़ पढ़ने जाते हैं तो मोस्टली सब शलवार कमीज़ पहनते हैं. Why? Because it is a national dress of Pakistan. So shalwar kameez is the national dress of Pakistan. Look at this, how beautiful he is looking. Now come to the currency of Pakistan. Currency. When we need to buy something, we use currency. जब भी हम लोगों ने कोई चीज़ परचेज करनी होती है, जिस तरह अगर आप लोग नीचे कैंटीन पे जाते थे, आप लोग चीज़ें लेते हो, बिस्किट्स लेते हो, जूस लेते हो, तो इन रिटर्न यू हैव टू पे देम. तो हम लोग उन्हें कैसे पे करते हैं? हम लोग उन्हें रुपीज़ देते हैं. मीन जो हमारी करेंसी है हम वो यूज़ करते हैं. तो हमारी करेंसी, द करेंसी ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज़ रुपीज़. अगर आप लोग नीचे कैंटीन पे जाते हो तो ये नहीं होता कि अगर आपने डॉलर आपके पास तो आप वो दे रहे हो. नहीं, अगर आप पाकिस्तान में रह रहे हो सो यू हैव टू यूज़ द करेंसी ऑफ पाकिस्तान विच इज़ रुपीज़. ओके. अगर यहाँ पर कोई आउट ऑफ कंट्री यहाँ पर कोई आता है, जिस तरह उनके पास रियाल होते हैं, कोई सऊदी अरेबिया से आता है उनके पास रियाल होते हैं, सो दे हैव टू एक्सचेंज द करेंसी. क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में अगर आपने कोई भी चीज़ परचेज़ करनी है तो आप लोगों के पास पाकिस्तान की करेंसी होनी चाहिए विच इज़ रुपीज़. यू हैव टू लर्न ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स. द करेंसी ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज़ रुपीज़. Now come to the national game of Pakistan. National game of Pakistan is hockey. We all like to play hockey, or mostly we are very used to watch the hockey match, and it is very interesting game. So the national game of Pakistan is hockey. Now come to the state religion of Pakistan. The state religion of Pakistan is Islam. हम सब कौन है? Muslims. So mostly the people who are living in Pakistan are Muslims, but there are many other religion. There are many other people who have different religion other than the Islam. पाकिस्तान में mostly लोग क्या हैं? Muslims हैं. Whose religion is Islam. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि बाकी मज़हब के लोग पाकिस्तान में नहीं हैं, लेकिन ज़्यादातर यहाँ पर कौन है? मुस्लिम्स. बाकी रिलीजन के लोग भी पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं, लेकिन ज़्यादातर यहाँ पर कौन होते हैं? मुस्लिम्स. Whose religion is Islam. Okay, now who will tell me what is the concept of Islam? Yes. हमारा अकीदा ये है कि अल्लाह एक है. हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाह के आखिरी रसूल हैं. सो जब सब अंग्रेज़ हिंदूज और मुस्लिम्स साथ रहते थे, तब कायदे आज़म ने ये चीज़ सोची कि हमें एक अलग स्टेट होना चाहिए हमारे पास, जहाँ पर हम इस्लाम के मुताबिक, कुरान मजीद के मुताबिक ज़िंदगी बसर कर सकें। सो वी विल डिस्कस मोर अबाउट इट इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट कायदे आज़म, चौधरी रहमत अली, Allama Iqbal in our next lecture, who gave the idea of Pakistan. They gave the idea of Pakistan because they want the people of Pakistan to live according to the teaching of Islam. वो चाहते थे कि एक ऐसा हमारा अलग अलग हमारी एक ऐसी स्टेट हो जहाँ पर we will freely follow our religion which is Islam. हमारा इस्लाम हमें क्या बताता है कि हम अल्लाह ताला एक हैं, हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाह के आखिरी अल्लाह ताला के आखिरी रसूल हैं, हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पे कुरान मजीद नाजिल हुई. सो वी हैव टू live according to the teaching of Islam. I hope all of you understand these points which we have discussed. Fact file of Pakistan, national anthem. National flower of Pakistan is jasmine. Flag. In flag there are two colors, green and white. There is a crescent and a star. National dress. The national dress of Pakistan is shalwar kameez. Now come to the currency. The currency of Pakistan is rupees. National game. The national game of Pakistan is hockey. Now come to the last, state religion. The state religion of Pakistan is Islam. Okay, now come to your diary. At the last of this lecture, I want to give you this diary. You have to draw national flower of Pakistan. Okay, who will tell me which is a national flower of Pakistan? We have discussed about it. Look at this. The national flower of Pakistan is jasmine and you have to draw it on your copy. Draw it neatly. Take care. Goodbye.